it's Dalya, and today I'm going to teach you how to make the most delicious smashed potatoes with my favorite vegan ranch dip. If you have never had smashed potatoes before, you are in for a treat. Smashed potatoes are one of my favorite foods. They are so good. I mean, who doesn't love potatoes? And then I top them with my vegan ranch dip, which is just to die for. And also, if you want to get the recipe, head to my website, it's rainingflowers.com, and I'll also leave a link in the description box down below. And now, let's get cooking. Let's first start with prepping the potatoes so we can get them into the oven. So I have here 2 bags of mini yellow potatoes, and I already washed them and dried them so they're rinsed off. And then to it, you're just gonna add some olive oil, about 1 tablespoon. And just so you know, I have a baking sheet here and I lined it with parchment paper before. You don't need to, but I do like the parchment paper because it prevents the potatoes from sticking. So 1 tablespoon, then some salt, about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I always like to use kosher salt because it gives you the most flavor. And then I have here some ground black pepper. And if you don't like pepper, you can totally leave it out, it's optional. At this point, just take your hands and mix it all up. You want to make sure that all the potatoes are coated in the oil and the salt and the pepper. Just give the pan a quick shake to make sure that all the potatoes are in an even layer and none of them should be overlapping. And now I'm going to get these in the oven at 450 degrees for about 20 minutes. I ended up baking the potatoes for 40 minutes because I needed some extra time. And now you just want to take a potato smasher and smash each of the potatoes. Now drizzle some more olive oil over the top of the potatoes. Make sure that they're all coated. I'm going to bake these potatoes at 450 degrees for another 15 to 20 minutes. I am so excited for this. Now let's make the vegan ranch dip. You can call it a dip, a cream, whatever you want. So I have my cup of a NutriBullet here. Use a blender as well. Not a food processor because it's not going to get it super creamy. And to it, I'm going to add some soaked cashews. Now I soaked these cashews in some water overnight and just makes it way easier for the blender to blend up, and supposedly is also better for digestion. I'm not really sure about that though. That's just something I heard. Then to it, I'm going to add some coconut cream, or you can just use coconut milk if you don't have coconut cream on hand. Then some lemon juice, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and salt. Now I'm going to transfer this mixture to a bowl. Lastly, I'm going to mix in some herbs. So I have some dried dill, chopped up chives, and some chopped parsley. I love using fresh herbs in this dip. And then you're just gonna mix it up. So meanwhile, I'm just gonna stick this in the fridge for an hour, and then I will take out the potatoes once they are ready. Now just add a dollop of the ranch dip onto each of the potatoes. You could also add a little bit of parsley to make it look a little bit prettier. And that is it. This is one of my favorite foods ever, so let's give it a try. Which one should I pick? They all look so good. I want the crunchiest one, crispiest. Look at that, super crispy. And I do recommend having a little bit extra cream on the side because you know, sometimes a dollop of cream isn't enough and you need some more. I just love it so much, it's amazing. If you're a vegan or you just don't eat dairy, but you miss eating potatoes and sour cream, this is the dish that you've gotta make. Obviously, it doesn't taste exactly like sour cream, but it has the texture and a similar flavor to sour cream. And just this dip is absolutely delicious with the crispy potatoes. You guys have got to try it. So head to my website, it's rainingflower.com for the full recipe, and I'll also leave a link in the description box down below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you'll see all my new videos every week, and give this video a thumbs up if you're super excited about this recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!